and that will be 2 part. You must see. So get on it. And we would make just videos like this. And have a nice day, you all. Bye. Do something with the slime. You. Can you see the slime? This looks like an earth being a grumble. Oh, yeah. Gooey. Yeah. Let's hit on this mobile. We love to make videos for you all. It's so funny playing with the slime. Yes. We love making slimes, and tomorrow I'm going to part 2, and that will be my sister's slime. So I hope you enjoy this part 1 video, and thank you everybody. Bye.